Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn OOPS 11th program. The question is write a Java program that reads a file name from the user, display information about whether the file exists, whether the file is readable, writable, the type of the file, and length of the file in bytes. So basically here we are going to deal with a built-in file called as files. So we have a built-in class called as file. That file, we need to read the file, we need to check whether that file is readable, writable, or which type of that particular file is, whether it is text file or image file or audio file, and we need to tell the length of the file with respect to bytes as well. So here we this moving on to the program package lab program normal. This depends on you what you have created, and we are not sure what functions or what built-in methods we are going to use. So I would out a star input, we need to read and we need to write also. So this particular thing is required. Scanner to get the input file from the user. Since we have a class called as file demo, this is a class file demo. P is just to print void P string str, whatever string str contains, we are just printing it. For that we have created a function called as P for print. In the function only we have analyzer. In the analyzer we are giving the file location of the file. It will take file f equal, this is a built-in class file. F is an object. Why? Because we have new here. And what is the type of the f is nothing but file, and s is nothing but location of that particular file we are passing to the file. If file really if exists, whatever location you have given, if that really exists, what it will do is f dot get. These are the built-in methods which already there in the object f. So f dot get name, this is the name of the file. It will give can read, in the sense this is a turnitin operator. You can see here f dot can read question mark colon is there, means it is turnitin operator. In the sense, if this condition is true means is readable will be executed. If it is false means after the semicolon whatever content is there, it will display that it is not readable, like that. In the similar way, for write also, f dot can write, if question mark whether it can write or not, it will ask. If it is right means this particular thing will be right, in the sense display, or else this thing will be displayed. File size they have mentioned in the program. So file size f dot length, which is should be in the byte format. This is a built-in function, that is length dot length. Where it is there? It is there in f. What is f? F is nothing but your class, file class. Last modification, this is for our understanding, you can give it. Else, if it doesn't, if it exists means all this will be displayed. If it doesn't exist means it will display a message like the file whatever location you have given does not exist, like that it will display. Finally, coming back to OOP underscore 11 public static void main. This is this same name as your file name what you are going to create, followed by public static void main string arguments. Here we are going to use throws exception. I have already told in the previous program, like we have exception programs like 10th program, we have exception like a cat, try, catch, throw, throws, and finally also here we are going to use throws. Always throws will start with main. So here we are not required to write any try catch block. So here file demo, which we have already created the class, this is an object for that, fd new file demo. Scanner, we are taking the input from the user. This is sc is an object of type called as scanner. Enter the file name, this is for our display purpose. Finally, if we enter the location of the file, which will be stored in s, and finally that s we are passing it to fd dot analyzer. Internally analyzer is calling for p. If you see here, see p, p is a function. Inside this bracket only we are passing this entire thing, so this entire thing will be displayed. So finally this is an end of our program. We'll just see the output how exactly it looks with respect to Eclipse. We'll just go to the file, new Java project. Here you can give your own, click on finish, not required, don't create, and double click on the Java project, right click on src folder, observe my cursor, go for package, give your name, and in the package right click, go for new, and go for class. I'll give oop 11 underscore 11, because in the program it was underscore 11. Click on finish. Before copying the program, you need to do one more thing, like in the package only right click, go for new, go for file. We need to create a file, right? So go for file, give the file name as sample.txt and click on finish. So sample.txt has been created. Here you can give us this is sample program. This is the sample program and just close that particular file. Our file has been created here. Now copy the program. Just go to the file. In the sense, you need to type the program. For me it is copying the program. Copy this program. Just select this, not required, paste. Again you should go here, select this, copy this and paste this. Finally we are done with the program. Before executing this, you need to get the location of the file. At the left hand side, observe my cursor. At the left hand side, right click, go for properties. You got the location here. Just copy this particular location, Control C, and just cancel this. And now you run the program. Click run as, and here you need to give the file location. This is my location, and you can find how many bytes is there. Sample.txt is a file which is a readable, it is also writable. File size is 22 bytes, and file last location which is in different format, seconds, minutes, everything matters. So this is the output of your 11th program. Thank you.